Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. Today I'm going to be showing with you how I remove my makeup. For me, makeup removal is a very important step as residue of makeup on our face can harm our skin. So it's very important to remove that. First, I'm going to take a cleansing balm. This is by Plum and I love using this. This is a cleansing balm which is very useful for double cleansing. With the help of that, I'm going to melt all of my makeup in my face. I'm only removing my face makeup, not my eyes and lips. Then I'm going to remove my eyelashes. And now I have taken a cotton bud and I'm going to clean my face makeup. Next, I'm going to take the Garnier micellar water and remove my eye makeup. Just take it in a cotton pad and remove your makeup. It's so easy to do that. You don't want any cleansing balm or oil kind of makeup remover on your eyes, as this can harm your eye area and this can even get into your eyes, so you don't want that. And next, I'm going to remove my lip makeup with the help of that. Once I'm done with both eyes and lips, and I'm going to clean my face as well. Next, to make sure all the makeup is gone, I'm using a makeup wipe. This is by Color Bar and I really love this. I also used to use this when I used to be very tired. I didn't have time. You can also carry this when you're traveling and you're wearing makeup. With the help of that, I'm going to remove all the makeup. Can you see so much of residue of makeup is there? Also, these all steps will make sure that your face has got rid of all the dirt and all the pollution that was sitting on your face. Next, I'll take a face wash. This is by Faceshop and this is one of my favorite one. This is the Rice Water Bright face wash by Faceshop and I'm going to apply it all over my face. This is a very nice face wash because I love using it. And now I'm going to clean it with some water and I'm going to clean my face with the help of a towel. After I'm done with removing all my makeup and washing my face, I'm going to do some skincare as well. I'm taking a toner and with the help of a cotton pad, I'm going to apply this on my face. Toner will help your skin to get hydrated and also this will maintain the pH balance. Next, I'm applying a serum. This is the green tea seed serum. This is very hydrating. I love using this. I have stopped growing acne since I've used that. Next, it's time for some lip balm and this is the Himalaya lip balm. And this is a nice lip balm. This has no colors. For night time, I don't like using any colorful lip balm. Next, I'm going to use a moisturizer. This is the Faceshop Calendula moisturizer and this has some very healing properties like cooling and soothing your skin, and this is very helpful for sensitive skin. As you can see, my skin has improved so much since I've started YouTube, and this is why I love using skincare products so much. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to remove your makeup. Bye.